Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make soup ready-made. First, let's plan your approach for delicious, convenient meals. Begin by selecting ingredients that hold up well to freezing, such as carrots, celery, onions, and various beans. Think about a base recipe that allows for future customization, perhaps a simple vegetable broth. Aim to prepare a generous quantity, like 8 to 10 portions, to make the effort worthwhile. Ensure you have a large stock pot and several freezer-safe containers ready for storage. Now, let's get those ingredients prepped efficiently. Start by thoroughly washing and chopping all your vegetables into consistent, bite-sized pieces. This ensures they cook evenly. Next, gently sauté your aromatics, like diced onions and minced garlic, in about 2 tablespoons of olive oil until they become wonderfully fragrant. Measure out your chosen spices and dried herbs, perhaps 1 teaspoon of dried thyme or half a teaspoon of black pepper, to have them ready. If you're adding proteins, consider cooking them separately to preserve their texture. With your ingredients prepped, it's time to cook and batch your delicious soup. Combine all your prepared vegetables, aromatics, and about 6 to 8 cups of your chosen broth in a large stock pot. Bring the mixture to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to a simmer, allowing it to cook for 30 to 45 minutes until the vegetables are tender. Taste and adjust the seasonings, adding salt, pepper, or other spices to perfect the flavor. Crucially, let the soup cool completely, for at least 2 hours, before moving to the next step. Finally, let's talk about storing and reheating your ready-made soup for ultimate convenience. Once the soup is completely cool, ladle it into individual, airtight, freezer-safe containers, ensuring you leave about 1 inch of headspace for expansion. Don't forget to label each container clearly with the soup type and the date it was made. Your soup can be safely frozen for up to 3 months, maintaining excellent freshness. When you're ready to enjoy, simply reheat it gently on the stovetop or in the microwave until it's piping hot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.